Thank you for tuning in today, and on today's helpful how-to video, I know I need a new air cleaner. You don't have to tell me in the comments, but I'm going to be showing you how to remove your Edelbrock carburetor. You might want to do this when replacing your carburetor, or changing to a throttle body, or putting a holly on it, or taking it off to rebuild it. So that's the point of this video. First thing, take this off. Just one little screw usually holds them on, depending on the style of your air cleaner. Just take that and spin that. Just like a stripper on a pole. Spin it. Okay. Take that and set it to the side. This is a nice little Edelbrock. It's been on my C30 for a while now. I'm actually putting a double pumper on it. I don't like the air being the way they work. They kick down on a manual. A double pumper just does better, in my opinion. So if you got a clip like this, it just unsnaps. You need to remove that so you can get your cable off. Once you do that, you can set that to the side. Next step, you will want to be careful and loosen this and remove your fuel line. Now once you get that, you can go ahead and remove all your vacuum lines too before we get to the next step. After you get everything unhooked, you better not forget, most of the time there's a spring attached for this. I didn't mention it earlier, but you need to remove that also. Now you remove these 4 bolts. They are bolt on each corner. Back here, 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 and here. Once you get those removed, there was a 9/16 for me. They could be an Allen head. It just depends on your setup, what type of bolt you have. Once you get that, you can pick up on this. And it's that simple. Now be careful and don't spill gas on you, because it's probably is full with gas. So guys, that is basically how you remove your Edelbrock carburetor from your engine. If you found this helpful, drop me a like, leave me a comment. I enjoy hearing from you guys. Don't forget to show your support by smashing that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.